Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our second chapter, that is self-management skills part 2. Part 1 you have already done in your class 9th. So first we will know what is self-management. What is the meaning of self-management? Self-management and its importance in your life. These are the topics which we are going to cover today. Then stress management techniques, physical exercises, yoga and meditation. Then enjoying going to vacations and holidays with families and friends. And then taking nature walks. So first is meaning and importance of self-management. What is self-management? Self-management, you all know that managing yourself is known as self-management. That is self-control, or you can say self-regulation, means to ability to regulate one's emotions, thoughts and behavior effectively. That is controlling your anger, controlling your feelings, regulating your emotions in any condition. That is known as self management. What is the importance? Means how it is important to manage yourself, because self management helps in developing good habits. If you are having any bad habits, then also you can overcome with your bad habits. Means suppose if you lose your anger very frequently, that is a bad habit. So overcome your bad habits by regulating yourself or by controlling yourself is known as self management. Then developing good habits, uh, early to rise and uh, make yourself healthy and clean. These are all good habits. There are so many good habits which you are learning from your childhood. So that is a part of a self management. Not only but just good habits and bad habits. Next is you're reaching your goal. That is also because of self management. That is, if you are able to achieve your goal, that is possible if and only if you regulate yourself, you manage yourself, you manage your time schedule, you manage your other habits, you manage your work schedule, then only you will be able to reach your goal. Then is overcoming challenges and difficulties. Means in your life there are many areas where you will face many problems and challenges to achieve your goal. Everyone faces problems and challenges. So to overcome these challenges and the difficulties which come in your path is known as self management. Now what is stress? Stress, when our body respond to something internal or external, any repulsive reaction, that is a stress. Stress is a charged up internal condition of our body in response to some repulsive external or internal situation. Means there may be an internal situation or there may be an external situation, and the reaction of our body, if repulsive, means if our body is not able to accept that situation, then we become in stress. We say that we are in stress. So what are the external factors? Like fluctuating climatic conditions, some weather changing frequently, then also you become in stress. If you are having a quarrel with your friend, exam pressure, and suppose if a strict teacher is there, you have to complete your work. So these are all are the external conditions. What are internal conditions? If you are having low energy level, then low energy level means your self confidence will become less. So less self belief. If you are not having belief in yourself, then also you will be in stress whether you will be able to complete your work in time or not. Low energy level, lack of enthusiasm. If you are not in interest of doing anything, then also you will become in stress. So what are the stress management techniques? Some techniques you already done in your class 9. These are the all stress management techniques. First is your physical exercise. Means you have to do physical exercise to keep yourself healthy and fit. Next is your yoga. If you are doing yoga, then also you will be stress free. Then because inhalation of breath full of oxygen, and so in your body oxygen supply is complete, then also your stress will release. Next is your meditation. It Meditation helps us in enhancing our mindfulness. It regulates our peace of mind and keep ourselves calm. So people who are successful in their field have managed and overcome their day to day stress by meditating. So it is one of the most important factor to manage the stress. Then enjoying or going to vacations with your families and friends. It is also important to go vacations with after some period of time. Enjoy with your friends, with your families to release your stress. Clear? Then taking nature walks. You know that it keeps taking time out for nature walks to helps in reducing your stress level. When you are working hard to fulfill your dreams, that is important, but it is also important that you keep yourself physical and mental free. So taking nature walks and other doing yoga, meditation, family friends sorry family vacations, etc., will also make you stress free. Clear? So today we will do only this, and next we will do later on. So these are the stress management techniques: yoga, meditation, physical exercises, vacations, traveling with your friends, and nature walk. So today we will do only up to this. Rest we will do later.